Hi everyone, this is Sam from Omglancer, and today in this video we'll talk about one of the products that Omglancer is selling on 99steem.com. This product is basically a Uber clone application. So it talks about it basically provides all the features that Uber application has. This application is currently available on Android, and if you're looking to buy this script, you can also discuss about the iOS version of this application, so that we can actually provide you with the iOS version as well. So in this video we'll talk about the Android version and how this works. So basically Cabon is a complete solution. It consists of three main applications. So the very first application that comes is basically the user application. Just like in Uber, there's a user application that users can use to book a ride, and a lot of features are there. For example, if we scroll down, you can see that there are many features. Those are written here as well, but just so you know, so it has all the features as Uber. You can book a ride. You see the real-time driver tracking on the map. You will also be able to add your credit card details in the app so that you can book the ride easier in the future if you store your cards. And then there are all the other cool features, like you can have the phone number verified when the user is signing up, so you know that they're not trying to scam you. There's cash ride, there's credit card rides, so people can, if they don't have a card, they can use the cash for the rides as well. Then there's a very cool feature that is a very important feature as well. That is basically where you can, if you get into any issues on your ride or stuff like that, you can always get to the customer support, and this feature is built in. This was a bit of the user side of the Cabon application. For the driver side, we have all the features that Uber has, so that driver gets the notification. You get to go to the driver, a driver get to go to you. A driver comes to your place. You go with the driver. You see your real-time location. Driver sees the endpoint where he has to drop you. Once he drops you, you give them a review and a rating as well. So all those features are there, and also there is a complete wallet for the driver, so that driver sees how much he have earned and what was the fare of the ride and what was the commission that he have paid, and also when he's gonna be paid, and all those features are there. And the very last part of this project, this Cabon application, is the admin application, which is pretty unique, because most of the features, most of the applications available in the market doesn't actually provide this kind of feature. So let me just go to the application itself. So Cabon admin application, basically what it does, it basically provides you all the statistics of the of both the sites, like if or whatever that is happening on the user side, and all the users those are joining your application, you can see all of their statistics in the admin application. So it's a very handy, unique Android application that you can install. As you can see from the screenshots over here, it has a lot of options that you can use to manage both of your Android applications. So that means that you can manage user side and the driver side from here. So you can see drivers and users. So this tab basically holds all the drivers and users details. So whatever that they have submitted while they were signing up, you can find all of their details over here. Then comes the customer support. So remember when we talked about the the customer support section for the users and the drivers. So whoever is sending you a request regarding their issues, you can actually solve their issues through your Android application. So you can reply them with whatever that you want to reply them with, and then that you can solve their problems over here without having to go to browser and all. And normal users, so all the normal users will be found here. So these are basically the users, those are booking the rides. So over here you can find the drivers. Then the car colors. So while you will be signing up as a driver, you would have to choose the colors that the cars could have, so you can add all those colors over here, car mates. So whatever the cars those might be available in the market, and you believe that these cars may be signing up for your application, you can actually add all those cars over here. Then the working countries. So let's say if your application is just made for just one country, right? So if you want to specify that, you can add that country. And if you want to remove some country or you want to block some country, you can do that as well over here in the working countries. In the car types, you can actually say that which company, sorry. So these are basically the types of cars that you can give. Like so in the Uber, they have mini, they have luxury, and all those cars types, right? So you can add those car types over here. So the type of cars that you want to put in your application, you can do that over here. Then all the rides that users and drivers are completing, so all those rides data will be accessible by you over here in this part of the application. The car pricing. So you have the car types. Now you can set the pricing for each car and how much you would like to charge per kilometer and all. So all those changes you can do in the car pricing part. So as you can see, this is how you would do all of that. And there are some pretty cool videos on our channel as well that you can see that will give you a bit more details about how this works. And if you would like to purchase this Android Uber clone template, you can always come to 99steem and search for cab on, and you will find our application. We have pretty cool reviews by people, those have actually bought the application and had good experience. And then you can ask us any questions that you might have while you sign up. When you sign up, you can send us a message as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you want to have more details about the application, I'll leave our email that you can reach us at, and then we can have more discussion there. You have a very wonderful day, or maybe evening or night. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.